like to test my pan this way. I'm going to drop a couple of pieces of onion, or green onions, or scallions as they're correctly called. Correct name is scallion. These are not green onions. This is truly green onions. This one, green onions. This one, scallions. I don't know why people call it green onions, but anyway. So to make sure the pan is hot enough, I like to test it. A couple pieces of seasoning. Clearly it's not warm enough, so we'll come back in about a minute or so. I'm going to put in the onions. You should smell this. It smells divine. But our way would have been to put the steak in first. Here we have seasoned the steak for half an hour, or overnight better yet. Today I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it the quick, easy way. Look. Now I can be a little bit liberal on the salt because in here we have the potassium from the beans and from all the veggies that balances the sodium. Okay? Otherwise it would be low, very low, or no salt. When you use the Lipton powder, please do not use the whole pack. Before I knew better, I used to use the entire pack of Lipton for taste. But you get to a certain point in life where you have to decide. Are you cooking just for taste? Or food that's delicious but healthy too? The latter is what we focus on. For the last 20 years, that's how I've managed to stay alive and thrive with chronic kidney disease. You don't have to sacrifice taste for eating healthy. I'll show you how. Come back with us. So good. Here we go. Simple, delicious, yummy eats with Mag. That's yours. That's for you. Simple, delicious, yummy eats with Mag. That's for you. Yum. Yeah. Black beans, cube steak, tomato, yellow bell peppers, and a whole lot of flavor. For you. Make this for your friend, and they will always want more. I do. And so will you. Cooking is easy. Cooking is simple. You can cook. Thanks for watching. Healthy, simple, delicious eats with Mag. Come back next time. God bless.